Watch these machines work. You'll be shocked by their power. Engines roar, steel grinds against steel. Sparks burst like fireworks in a midnight factory. This isn't just machinery, it's motion, precision, and pure mechanical poetry. Every turn of a gear, every thunderous strike of a hydraulic arm, it's a heartbeat of human genius, amplified through tons of steel and raw force. These are the machines that shape the modern world. Massive excavators carving through mountains, robotic arms welding with laser accuracy, engines roaring with unstoppable momentum. You can feel it, the vibration in your chest, the weight of power that no human could match. Yet behind every machine lies a single truth. It's not the metal that makes it move, it's the mind that built it. Today, you're not just watching machines work, you're stepping inside a world where physics, engineering, and imagination collide, where ordinary materials become extraordinary creations. This is where muscle meets math, where sparks turn into progress, where noise becomes music. So before we dive in, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because what you're about to see isn't just about machines. It's about what they represent: human ambition, precision, and the relentless pursuit of power under control. Close your eyes for a second. Picture a 500-ton press crushing a block of steel into shape. Hear the echo through the factory floor. Smell the oil, the heat, the smoke. Now open your eyes and watch. Welcome to the front lines of human innovation. Welcome to the realm where machines don't just work, they perform. Power. It's not just about force, it's about control. A bulldozer carving through solid rock isn't chaos, it's choreography. Every piston, every valve, every bolt in that monster of a machine is designed not to destroy, but to create order out of raw material. Think about it. A robotic welder moving with the grace of a dancer, sparks bursting in perfect rhythm. A CNC machine cutting aluminum so clean it reflects light like glass. A jet engine compressing air, igniting fuel, releasing thrust, all in milliseconds, thousands of times a second. It's not magic, it's math made beautiful. When we watch these machines in motion, we're witnessing centuries of evolution. From the first steam engines that roared across iron whales to the precision robotics assembling microchips, every mechanism is a chapter in humanity's story of mastery over matter.
But there's something deeper behind all this metal. Machines aren't just tools, they're reflections of us. They show our hunger to go faster, lift heavier, cut cleaner, and build better. They mirror our discipline, the hours spent designing, testing, failing, rebuilding. They remind us that perfection doesn't happen by accident, it's engineered. Every mechanical roar is an echo of human ambition. Every spark is a sign of progress. Every machine, no matter how automated, is still a message written in steel. We made this. And when they move, flawlessly, powerfully, relentlessly, we're reminded that technology isn't cold or lifeless. It's alive with intention. The beauty of these machines isn't just in what they do, it's in what they mean. The triumph of human design, the proof that imagination can bend reality, the evidence that innovation is humanity's loudest roar. So when you see that excavator clawing through the earth, that robotic arm welding under a rain of sparks, remember, you're not watching metal at work. You're watching human ingenuity in motion. Every great machine starts with a spark, not of electricity, but of imagination. Before the blueprint, before the prototype, before the roar of the engine, there's a person. Someone staring at a problem no one else could solve and daring to say, let's build something that can. Behind every press, every conveyor, every robotic arm, there's a team. Engineers, designers, technicians, people with calloused hands and sleepless minds. They argue over micrometers. They chase perfection in a world measured by fractions of a millimeter. Because to them, precision isn't just a requirement, it's a calling. Look at a machinist adjusting a tool, eyes locked on the gauge, heartbeat synced to the rhythm of the spindle. That's not just labor, that's art. It's patience, focus, and passion. The kind of devotion that turns cold steel into something almost alive. Technology doesn't exist apart from humanity. It's an extension of it. Every time a gear turns, it's turning because someone believed it could. Every time a circuit hums to life, it's powered by human curiosity. That unstoppable need to understand how things work and how to make them work better. Think of the first engineer who thought, what if a machine could think? Or the first mechanic who looked at a broken engine and said, I can fix that. Those are the moments that push civilization forward. Because machines don't dream, people do. Machines don't improve themselves, people make them better. And that's what makes this whole world of engineering so powerful. We often talk about machines as if they're the heroes, but the real heroes are the minds and hands behind them. The ones who stay after hours to make sure the gears align perfectly, the welds hold strong, the systems never fail. They don't just build machines, they build progress. They build the future. Listen. Can you hear it? The hum of turbines, the hiss of hydraulics, the rhythm of pistons pounding in perfect time. That sound isn't noise. It's the heartbeat of progress. Every vibration, every spark, every thunderous strike. It's a reminder that humanity refuses to stand still. These machines don't just move metal, they move us. They turn raw earth into highways, dreams into structures, designs into destiny. And when you see them in motion, towering cranes lifting tons like feathers, precision robots assembling with microscopic grace, you realize something powerful. We've learned to control chaos, to channel it, to shape it. That's the real magic of engineering. Not just power, purposeful power. The kind that turns imagination into infrastructure. The kind that builds bridges not just across rivers, but across generations. Watch a foundry at midnight, molten steel flowing like lava, casting the bones of tomorrow's machines. Watch your robotic arm weld a seam so perfect it could outlast the century. Watch a jet engine ignite, screaming into the sky, carrying hundreds of lives toward new horizons. You're not just witnessing power, you're witnessing trust. Trust in math, trust in human design, trust in the people who dare to build something bigger than themselves. And here's the truth, machines don't feel pride, they don't feel fear, but we do. And still, we build them anyway, because deep down, we believe in progress. We believe in the idea that no challenge is too massive. No mechanism too complex, no future too far away. We believe that the roar of the engine and the silence of thought belong together. So as you watch these machines work, the excavators, the presses, the robotic arms, remember what you're seeing isn't just technology in motion, it's the story of every dreamer who ever looked at a pile of steel and saw potential. Like, subscribe. Share this with someone who believes in the power of making. Because the future doesn't build itself. Machines don't build the future, people do.